So one thing to notice about the paragraph tag is that when you open and close it, it will start a new line. So you can see here I've typed out a bit of text and I've included that within the paragraph tags, and then I've included some more here. Now if I save that and I refresh that, you'll see that that splits that up. So for each paragraph there's a line in between, but sometimes you want text on a new line but without a space. So the way you do that is by using a break. So if I want a paragraph, so let's say I want a space between these two here, I would have my paragraph like this. If I didn't want a line space between this line and this line, all I need to remember to do is not close that paragraph off. So I can leave that paragraph like that. And if I take off the opening tag there, now you can see now that my paragraph begins there and ends there. So if I save that now and I preview it, so that's removed the space, but what it's also done is it's put it back onto the same line. And that's not what I want. What I want to happen is a new line without a space. And for this we use what we call a break. And the break tag is a little different. So what I do this time is I click before the line there, I put in my angle bracket and I choose BR and I close that. And if I press save now and I refresh that, you'll see that will move it onto a new line. Now in this particular case I don't actually have to close this tag. And the reason I don't have to close it is because it breaks that line. If I wanted to break another line I would need more tags in there, but I don't. I want it just like that. Okay? So this paragraph here would mean that anything after that should go onto a separate line. So let's try that out. So if I put in my paragraph and if I go ahead and start it off here, this should be on a new line. Close my paragraph. Oops, missed my P off. And we should find when I refresh it, it's on a new line. Now if I don't want it on a new line, I should be able to do this. I should be able to get rid of that closing tag, put in a BR for break. This should be on a new line with no space. And if I try that and I refresh it, and there we go.